Honk for peace, bitches! Honk for peace! Honk! Honk! They're coming! Bah.
They're probably gonna like cry.
Oh my god, they're coming!
If they don't honk, that means that their host mom is Latin.
Honk! Honk! Honk!
What the hell? Stopping.
Well, you just got in the middle of the road. Don't get yourself. Recording.